are ready for the traffic light sequence for day 13 here. So what we need to do is add one more option to this, and it's the one we've been using quite a bit. We need to, on this line 2, we're going to add from time, we're going to import sleep. This is going to allow us to have some sleep commands to our lights and structures like that. So what we're going to do here is we're going to just create a modified one here with our lights, all right, as we go through this. So what we're going to do is we're going to clear out this part, okay? We're going to delete that out for the time being, and now we're going to go lights, green, on. So we're going to go lights dot green dot on. We're going to sleep for 1. Now the second light, they identify it as amber. That's going to be the yellow light here, but we're going to call it amber. Okay, so we're going to go lights dot amber dot on. We're going to sleep for 1, and then lights dot green, or not green, we need red dot on. All right, and then after that, what do you think we're going to do? We're going to hold it for 1 second, and then we're going to go, lights are going to be off. So lights dot off. So now we should have a blinking process here with our code. So let's go ahead and run this and see if we've done everything correctly here. So let's find out. With our green, yellow, red, green, yellow, red. Okay, so what you'll notice is that the green light pretty much stays on the whole time because it's looping so fast from this lights off all the way back up to the wild true. So actually what I could do here if I wanted, so you can see that that green light would indeed turn off. I'll just put another sleep block in here just so you can see it. So now when we run this, we should have all lights off here. There you go. See how that's now off? It's going to happen so fast in that loop block. It cycles so incredibly quick. So now let's do this, and now we could actually add some things here, right? So now we could add button wait for press. So I could go and add one more line here. Oops, there we go. Button wait for press. Okay, and now when we do that, we can now run this, and you'll see that hopefully nothing will happen until we press the button. So it's sitting there, nothing's activated. I want you to kind of be thinking about this in terms of like a crosswalk, right? So I'm going to press the button, and now the lights are going to go. And now it's done. It's going to wait then again for that next trigger because it looped back up to this while true. And then it's sitting here at this command waiting for a press. So it can't go on until we press the button again. And so there's some other things for you to look at to try to do. You could try to do some sequences where like red and amber are on, or maybe just green's on, or just playing with the different lights. And that's going to be your challenge. So go ahead and explore that. And the further challenges, which you can see on the Raspberry Pi project page as well as on the companion site, is that think about this. I like these challenges. You can, one, mess around with some of the light things we just talked about. You could add the button for pedestrian crossing. So could you have a traffic light sequence that's set to the proper time for how long the green light should be on, and then the yellow and the red, but then activating things can't be immediate, right? We don't want pedestrians to get hit. If they press a button, that the lights will turn to the proper colors so they can cross the street, just like we see in the real world. So you could do that one, and that one's going to be a lot of fun. Pretty awesome real world application. And the other thing could be is then to add a buzzer so that it beeps quickly to indicate that it's safe to cross. I've seen this in a lot of big cities. It's also helpful for visually impaired pedestrians as well. So lots of cool challenges. Your challenge in the next part of today is to attempt those options, see if you can make it work. And if you have something else you'd like to do with this concept, by all means, go for it. All right, my friends, as always, stay awesome. I can't wait to see your work over in the Slack channel. Peace.